Chengdu, the capital of China's Sichuan province, is best known as a hometown of giant pandas, but it's also widely renowned for its vibrant food scene. Today, we're visiting the famous Chunxi Street to try two traditional Sichuan dishes and popular local tea trend, and give you our honest thoughts. So, come along with us as we try to figure out what it even is we're eating.
Good morning from Chengdu. Today we are exploring the city and we're starting off at the famous Chunxi Street.
And this street is Chengdu's busiest shopping street, but it's also more than that. It is Western China's most famous shopping boulevard, attracting over 100,000 visitors per day. This place is so big and so crazy busy, and we've just made it to the IFS mall, and I kind of love because right here in front there's like stalls of little homemade trinkets, like crochet little keyrings, there's jewellery, and then the shopping mall right opposite, there's the fancy brands, there's Louis Vuitton, Dior, Fendi and everything. But then, best of all, there's a ginormous panda climbing up the side of the shopping mall. It just literally has everything. We are so disorientated. We went into the shopping mall, we went up a floor and then came outside. And this is a whole other street. So this is a whole streetway on top of the street that we were just on. That's crazy, no?
Yeah, I don't understand it either.
This place is blowing our minds.
We are in the middle of a shopping street, and this building behind me is the Wenshu Monastery, and it's over 1,000 years old. It was built in the year 618. It's unbelievable that it's just besides all these skyscrapers, and it's so well kept and maintained. It's very impressive. Let's have a look at it.
This temple has over 300 Buddha statues and, funnily enough, a well-regarded vegetarian restaurant. Okay, we accidentally ordered 2 dishes each, and neither of which we have any idea what's in them. We came to the vegetarian restaurant inside the temple grounds, so we know it's vegetarian, and that's about as far as it goes. This one looks very spicy, so I think it'll be tasty, but maybe too spicy for me, but I'm intrigued to try. This one looks like it has mushrooms.
Yeah, and we learned it's both are traditional dishes, so that's all we know.
Yeah, we don't know the names, but we know they're traditional, so let's try. All right, we're going to start with this one that looks really spicy, but when you touch it, it's cold. So I think this is the cold noodle dish that is traditional. So. All
right, let's see if I can grab it.
Yeah, I'm just going to try a little bit. Cheers. Yeah, I mean, that's really nice. It's pretty tasty. I didn't get much of the sauce, and I think that's where the spice is, so I am a little bit worried about that.
Nice. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
In here. The cold noodle into the other one.
No.
No?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Right, okay. All the tables around us are watching us.
We obviously haven't a clue what we're doing.
Yeah. Xin.
Okay, on to the second dish.
It's really tasty. I like it.
Yeah, that one's really nice. I think we made some good decisions. And the 4 of these dishes just cost just over €6, so it's a really good deal. I think we are being judged by the locals by how we're eating it, but they're enjoying watching us try.
Yeah, by their looks we're doing something wrong, but I can't figure out what.
We are now leaving the restaurant. The food was 10 out of 10.
Yeah, very good.
Really, really nice, really tasty, really simple noodles. It was very funny, very nice crowd in there and very nice workers. So now we are off to find something sweet for dessert. But the weather is turning, so before we get some dessert, we are going to head back to our hotel to escape the rain. Chunxi Street is such a vibe. It's so vibrant and lively, and honestly so big as well. I don't think we walked around half of it. They have shops from every country. There really is so much there. I can see why 100,000 people visit there a day.
Definitely, yeah.
But now, yeah, we're back to our hotel for the moment. And speaking of hotels, this is what €17 a night can get you here in Chengdu. We'll start with the bathroom first. It's a pretty standard bathroom. You have your shower, sink, toilet. It's pretty standard, not much to say there. Then we have this whole kitchen area, which is really nice, but the main things we'll be using is the washing machine and also the fridge, which is very nice. I love having a fridge. In here then is a really big hotel room. We have a projector, which I've never had in a hotel room before. That's really nice. We haven't tried it yet, but maybe tonight. Over here is like our living area. We've got a desk over here. We have stayed here already, so it's a bit messy. We've got this really, really nice big window with quite a good view. Despite the rain, it's a bit cloudy now, but really like it. Over here, we've got a little couch, which we've had dinner on when we've ordered in. And then last but not least is this big, quite big double bed. So let's do the bed test. Oh, I think it's pretty comfortable anyway, and quite a nice big bed. So the weather has not gotten any better. It is still raining, so we decided to stay in the hotel. But we have ordered ourselves in some bubble tea that we're gonna try because it is very, very popular here. Let's give it a go.
Yeah, let's give it a go. Whoa, that's massive.
Nice. Yeah, so we have extra, it has all these balls in, which are glutinous rice, I think, and this one anyway. Do you want to do the honors?
Yeah, it's my first time, so let's try it. Very chewy.
Yeah, weird.
That's a glutinous rice, I think, but it's really tasty. It's like black tea. Like the Ceylon tea that we had in Sri Lanka, actually. Reminds me a lot of that.
No, it reminds me of tea tarik in Malaysia.
Ah, tea tarik. Yeah, you're right.
That's what it tastes like.
Nice. Really good.
Very sweet, very nice.
Yeah, I give it a 9 out of 10.
9
really
out of 10.
It. Yeah.
And with that, we are going to just chill and enjoy our tea while the weather is so bad. So we're going to end the video here.
If you enjoyed the video, give us a like, share it, and subscribe. It means to our channel a lot. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.
Bye.